Hi guys, good day to you. Welcome to my channel. Of course, we give you beautiful, amazing content on the cloud space. So, what are we going to be talking about today? We'll be talking about the introduction to Microsoft 365 Cloud. What is Microsoft 365 Cloud? It's actually everywhere, from emails to meeting documents to AI tools. It powers the way that we work today. But what exactly is it? And how does it work in the cloud service? In this video, I'll simply talk about Microsoft 365 Cloud and what it is, how SaaS works, and how you can start using it effectively as a beginner or an intermediate user. While I proceed, please feel free to like the video, hit the subscribe button so that you get more notification on more amazing content that is coming. So if you ask me, what is Microsoft 365 Cloud? Microsoft 365 Cloud is a cloud-based productivity platform that brings together tools like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams, and OneDrive, all hosted in the Microsoft Global Data Center. This means you don't have to install heavy software or manage servers, okay? You simply log in and everything, your files, apps, emails, is all available anywhere and on any device, which means wherever it is you find yourself, whatever continent, whatever device that you're using, you have access to your data. Why? Because it's hosted up there in the cloud. I literally do not mean this cloud, but it's everywhere, of course. So I talked about SaaS. What is SaaS? SaaS stands for Software as a Service. Okay? Microsoft 365 is built on the SaaS model, Software as a Service. So instead of you buying software once, you subscribe and get continuous updates, cloud storage, and security handled by Microsoft, which simply means you do not have to do anything. Microsoft does everything for you. So you focus on work, Microsoft focuses on the back end and maintenance and uptime. So let's take a look at key apps in Microsoft 365. Okay, so we have Word, Excel, PowerPoint, right? These are classic productivity tools. I mean, every organization uses them, okay? And they have real-time collaboration embedded in them. Real-time collaboration means 10 people would actually be working on one document at the same time, making updates without having to wait for one person to finish before another begins. Then we'll go to Outlook and Exchange. Okay, cloud emails, calendar for professionals. What is an organization without Outlook or the Exchange Online technology? It's actually important whereby you send out emails to outside organizations to people within your organization. So that's where Outlook and the Exchange Online technology comes in. So next we'll move to Teams. You chat, video meetings, and collaboration all in one hub. Then we go to OneDrive, of course. OneDrive for business, OneDrive for personal. These are personal cloud storages that syncs across any device that it's been logged into. What about SharePoint? It is for team sites and content sharing. I mean, this is the main hub for collaboration itself, where all of your data, organization data, are saved in, where anybody who has access to it can just go there, pick whatever it is they want to pick, work with it. How efficient and easy. And what about Copilot? Copilot is now being integrated into all of these applications to make work seamless and easier. I keep asking, why do business actually love Microsoft 365? Here is why. You work from anywhere on any device. Okay? Another one is real-time collaboration and sharing. I would still say enterprise-grade security and compliance. Your data is well secured and all these compliance rules are being strictly adhered to. And what about automatic updates? I really do not need to start clicking on update right now before my tools actually get updated. It's an automatic process. Then it scales easily for individuals and large teams. No matter how big, no matter how small, Microsoft 365 is for you. From as low as one user down to thousands of users within an organization. Now let's just look at quick technical insight. Okay. For a bit of tech insight, Microsoft 365 actually works on Azure's multi-tenant cloud architecture. This means each organization called a tenant has its own secure environment where Microsoft handles storage, identity, and security behind the scenes. Okay? To get started, it's quite simple, very easy. To create a Microsoft 365 account, all you just need to do is go to office.com. So you type in on your web browser office.com. Try the free online app. Of course, we have 30 days trial option whereby you could, you know, get acquainted to these things and you're good to go. Explore all of these things and ensure that multi-factor authentication is turned on just to keep you secure from harmful people who would like to intrude. And good. That's a quick tour, a quick guide on Microsoft 365 Cloud, what it is, how it works, and why it is the future of work. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe for more cloud tutorials. Of course, I'm here for you. And please do not forget, drop a comment telling us your favorite Microsoft 365 app. Till we'll meet again. Bye.